hate this.
I
Can't stop hiccuping. Don't hit this car.
I'm not. I'm not the drunk
Look
one.
at these fucking little... Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe. I need some help. Help me, Cup of Joe. Help me.
Can't see it.
Why is that Arby's sign yellow? Doesn't make any sense.
It's always yellow.
No, look at that. Oh, look at that one. It's like beige with red writing.
That's for the drive-thru.
Why don't this stop? I don't want to hiccup anymore. Go. Go, screen.
I know, I'm going.
Pardon me. It's called pardon. For the viewers at home.
That's a Slurpee one.
It's so painful. Why? I won't stop. Fuck you, North Peak Bar. Your beers change me in ways that I have not foreseen. Oh my god. I think a small creature is bludgeoning my lungs. There's Days Inn.
That's the other motel.
No, right here.
Oh, I know.
Mueller, Richmond, Harms, and Myers. What the fuck kind of law practice is that?
I thought you were going to say mirror on the wall.
Mueller.
Mueller on the wall.
Oh, that's the fucking right. What are you doing?
I don't know. We can still get in there.
Oh, yeah, we can. Follow this truck.
No. I go this way.
What are you doing? Oh, that's fine. No. You're going to want to park over there.
Here.
You can't get in the door with our cards over here.
Yeah, they can.
It has a weird key. Oh, are you still recording? It's going to be the longest hiccup video ever in existence.
Mm-hmm.
In existence.